When I don't have time and I want something really tasty, I make this. I need one pan, 15 minutes, and dinner is ready. I will season 500 grams of chicken fillet. I will add salt and pepper on both sides. Write me in the comments from which country are you watching me. It's nice to know that we can see each other all over the world. I will pour oil into the pan and wait for it to heat up. I fry the chicken fillet on both sides for 5 minutes. Do not move it while it is frying. Let it get color. Look at this cover. There's the taste. While the meat is frying, I will chop 2 cloves of garlic. I fry the garlic for a short time, just to release the smell and taste. Now comes the part that changes everything. I add 500 milliliters of cooking cream. I will grate 70 grams of hard cheese. This will make the sauce thick and creamy, without flour. I return the meat to the sauce and simmer for 5 minutes. Five minutes is enough. It doesn't take long, just to bind the sauce. I sprinkle some parsley. Look how juicy it is. One pan, 15 minutes, and everyone is full. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, dear friends.